and Sarah Stampin' Retreat. Today we're going to be creating a cute little jar with some of this Euro Peach design series paper. And we're going to use it to decorate these jars. These are food safe jars, but they are plastic. They're not suitable for hot things, but lots of your little baked goodies and things could go in there, or little sweets and things. So we're just going to decorate this jar and use the paper. So to start with, I've just got a strip of this paper. It's 1.5 inches by 7.5 inches. And I'm just going to tape that round the jar. So I'm just going to use my tear and tape. I'm going to add this onto here. And I'm going to wrap it round. Just going to stick a bit more of this to the other side. Now I'm going to wrap this round. And then I'm going to secure it to this. So then this is a piece of the same DSP, and I'm just going to choose one of the peaches and cut that out, and that can go on the lid of our jar. So I'm going to just cut this one out. You get 6 of the jars in a pack. I actually think because they're so quick to decorate, they would make really nice table favours at a wedding or a christening or something like that. And you could always, if you're doing that because you don't have so many of these big peaches on the paper that are kind of full, you could always use the stamp set, and you could stamp them and die cut them instead. So then I'm just going to add that onto the lid with a couple of dimensionals. And then the other thing that I'm going to do to finish it off is just use some of this pale papaya ribbon and just tie a bow around it. So I'm actually just going to take some of the tape and just put a little bit at the front so that I can secure the ribbon to it, and that'll just make it a little bit easier to tie. I might put a bit at the back as well. That'll just make it easier to make sure that the bow stays in the right place. And then I can just tie that there. And then because it's stuck down, then it's not going to come loose while I tie the bow. And there we go, there's our cute little jar. So I hope that you enjoyed today's project. If you did, I'd appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also subscribe if you'd like to see future projects. If you press the bell button and select all, then you'll get notifications when I have new YouTube videos up. All of the products that we've used today are listed in the description below, and you can also find a host code there. So if you pop my host code into your basket before you check out, then I'll send you a free gift after the end of the month. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.